Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can actually pull one of my activities into your Seesaw account. So as you can see on this slide, I have 10 different activities provided here. All of them are hyperlinked to the actual link for the activity. So for example, if you want to bring in this one, describe what is seen in a video, you would just click on the link. Okay, you get a view of what the activity looks like. I have there some instructions. You go to Save Activity, and this brings it into your activity library in your Seesaw account. Okay, so as you can see, here's this video, the activity that we just brought in. In order for you to make any changes or to share it with your class, you're going to have to click View. Okay, so now here you can actually come through on the bottom side, you can click on Customize. And now you can do any kind of edits to the activity. So if you want, you can change the name of the activity. You can change any of the instructions. You can come in here. Let's say you want to press record. You want the icon to come out. You can just do one of the Seesaw shortcuts. Describe in your own words what people are doing. And let's say you want to add another instruction. Let's see here. Submit your work. All right. You can also add voice instructions by clicking here. You can re-record as many times as you need in case you make any mistakes. Here I have the video linked. You can change that. You can add a template for students to edit. And here it'll tell you what class you're about to share it with. When you're done making all your changes, you're going to click on Preview. Okay. And you can see now here I have the little microphone. I have my other change here, submit your work. Those were the only things that I changed. Right as I'm about to share it, I'm going to confirm share with all students in my PD session PM class, and I'm going to click on share. So there it says activity shared. So anytime my student scans their QR code, they hop on over to activities and they're going to see this activity that I've imported to my class PD session PM class. So let's just walk through that one more time. I'm going to come to my PowerPoint. Let's see, describe the difference between two objects. I'm going to click on the link. Here I have a preview of the activity. Okay, I can save it. It brings it to my teacher account. I can see it right here. In order for me to share it with my kids or for me to make any changes, I'm going to click on View. And then I can go to Customize. I can change the name of the activity. I can make any changes to the instructions. I can delete the current instructions recording and re-record my own or a different one. I can change the student template. Okay, I can also change the class I'm about to share it with. Here, this is the same class as before. I can edit that right here. And right as I'm done, I click on Preview, make sure everything looks good, and then I'm ready to share, so click on Share. And so there we have it again, activity shared. And like I said, as students come in, they scan your QR, they click on Activities, and this is the one we just added. This was the one we added before. And that is how you bring in new activities into your Teacher Seesaw account.